Look how beautiful that is. I wish I was outside looking at it, but I am getting ready for the day. Look how pretty that is. This is from the other window. So the plan for today is to rent a car, and then I wanted to go see Pompano Beach and then Lauderdale by the sea. And then I might even do the A1A drive. It's a nice drive. I've done it before. I think I've done it about 3 times now. And it's usually fun, and the site is very beautiful. You would see nice trees, nice big houses, and the drive is just uplifting for me. I'm gonna pack a few things. So my sunglasses, a change of clothes, and a hat just in case it gets too hot, and then a jacket in case it gets cold, because you're never sure. And this is what we're wearing today. I'm already wearing my swimsuit inside, and then just a tank top and a skirt. That's better. So I just rented a car, and they can only get me this Hyundai. I think it's called Rona or Kona. I don't remember. Wait, hold on it. Nah. The key doesn't have the name on it. Anyway, looks pretty cool. So we'll see how it drives. Right now it's 58 degrees. It will get warmer. It's early in the morning. It's 8:10 in the morning right now. So let's see how this thing drives. So I'm actually at CVS. I need to pick up a few things: water, protein bars, and so here's what I've done so far. I've got some vanilla double shot coffee, some protein bars, water, and that right there. So it's actually called Kona and not Rona. Look at the cruise ships. So cool. So this is actually Ocean Drive. No, it's called well, it is A1A. It's the road along the shore, and it goes all the way up north, the coast of Florida. So I'm actually here now, Lauderdale by the sea, so I need to start looking for parking. So this is Lauderdale by the sea. It looks pretty cute. Can't really see, it's so bright. left Lauderdale by the sea. Right now I'm at Pompano Beach. So we're gonna go check this out.
I don't say a word, still you take my breath, and still the things I know. There you go, saving me from having to call. Fire on fire, with moment of kiss, this means desire. Together we witness. You say that we're out of control, and some say we're sinners, but don't let them ruin our beautiful rhythm. 'Cause when you unfold me, tell me you love me, look in my eyes. My only direction is fire on fire.
Joe Lucas Remix, inovando sempre.
When we fight like lions, but then we love and tell the truth. We lose our minds in a city of roses. We wanna feel like
So I guess whenever
you can write it up, you can even post it. I don't wanna know who you chilling with lately. Why you got the nerve? I don't even care about the lies. Now you ask me why I'm mad about it.
Thank you. You're welcome. I just got back to my hotel. I never made it to Palm Beach or West Palm Beach, but I made it to Lauderdale or Lauderdale Sea, or I forgot what it's called, but and I also made it to Pompano Beach, and then I drove up on A1A. That was fun, but I didn't do the whole thing because my car was due to be returned by 6 o'clock, so I made it. So I'm gonna go and rest, and then we'll see what we're gonna do later on. I'm so tired. So I just got back to my hotel room. This is what I see. I am so tired. I have to go and find food later on, and then tomorrow I plan on walking by the beach and then just go towards Las Olas Boulevard, and that should be it. I leave tomorrow.